Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? This in the early Sunday morning, just moving about in the yard, just looking stuff to eat. Wow. Just sit back and watch them, guys. I love to see them. I'm glad I was able to catch them here this morning in the backyard, just moving about, eating what they can find. Wow, and flying up. Isn't it amusing, amazing, guys? I just love this sight. Don't mind the clothes on the wire, guys. I am not focusing on the clothes on the wire. I'm focusing on these lovely pigeons in the backyard here. Just moving about in the sun, eating. Yes, guys. Just look at them. Isn't it amazing? Awesome. Yes, guys, this is what the Sunday morning is looking like here in the backyard. Birds are here and I'm just here watching them. See how long I'm watching these birds, guys? 6 minutes. 6 minutes I'm here just watching these birds. Awesome. And in the meantime, let me show you a few mangoes in the tree here. Yeah. Such a beauty to see these things, looking and reflecting. And these beautiful birds that the hands of the Lord has created. It just let us know that God created us uniquely. He created animals, He created birds, He created fish, He created human. And for us to just live in love and in unity and in joy. Just looking at these birds and how they are together just shows the togetherness in which we should live, guys. So thank you all for watching this video when you see it post. And I'm asking for genuine comments and tell me what are your thoughts on these pigeons in the back of the yard here on this beautiful Sunday morning, guys. Have an amazing day. Have an awesome day. Whichever day you will get to watch it, I hope and trust that you will like it. And if you want to see more of this content out, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it in the life of Gabe Blake to see what's going on in your life and to listen what's going on in your life. Yeah, that's how it is. Awesome. I just love to see the nature of the beauty of God handmade, and to watch all these birds so unique, so pretty, so friendly, so warm. It would have me standing here the whole day just watching them, guys, and making a content for you to see. And if you listen, you can hear, I think it's the barber dove, or it's the bee dove. I don't know whichever one of it is, but it's going there in the tree. It's the bald I'm not sure. But I'm giving you a full view of these birds this morning here. Hope you will like it. And you can tell me if you like to see more of this content. Yeah, let me know if you love it, if you are lovers of birds, and if you love to see nature things. Just looking at them guys, it bring a warm feelings.